These guys have all been extra patient this morning. Morris just hopped down. He's over closer to the bricks. And they were all lined up there on the bench for a while. Well, except for Tux. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. It's a good boy. Yeah, I'm a little late today. A little late. They'll forgive me, though. Something tells me. You doing all right, Morris? He's easiest to approach when he's the most hungry. Just trying to make sure I pet him once or twice a day. Keep human contact on him. Are you not hungry? Say, I'm sleepy, Mom. I want some pets. Well, I really wish it was going to be 70 and sunny again today like it was yesterday. This cloudy and not quite 50 is not what I had in mind for my Saturday, but it could be worse. It could be raining, right? I think that comes tomorrow. These guys are doing good. I hope Gypsy didn't try to come already, but if he did, I hope he comes back. I've not, you know, most mornings he's not here before 9:30, but every once in a while, and apparently on the days that I'm late, I have been seeing him on the security camera. Well, I'm back working on Joker Manor this morning. I am working on the wall facade for the brown side, we'll call it. This thing looks really good from both sides, I think, in my opinion, but I think technically this is the front side with the bigger steps. And I'm also playing Pokemon Go Fest in the background, so that's slowing me down just a bit as I try to participate in raids and catch certain Pokemon certain hours of the day today. I'm trying not to get too competitive about it and just kind of get some stuff but not stress, but as time goes on, we'll see how effective that is for me. So when you don't have any Lego mirror stickers, you ask your husband if he has any foil tape and you make do. Right?
That's right.
Don was glad to save some money.
Absolutely, yeah. I bet that little piece of Lego probably cost $5.
No, the Lego piece might have been 20 cents, but by the time I ordered some stickers, it would have been $3 or $4 if I ordered it by itself.
Right,
yeah, because of the shipping, the sticker wouldn't have been. But they don't have sheets of just windows. I would have had to like hunt down the sticker set for this kit.
Ah.
Anyway, see how it's curvy from the side to side? It's actually meant one funhouse mirror. It's a special part.
That's right.
Well, I don't know what that part is. It's called a brick modified 2x4 by 1x4 with 2 recessed studs with thin side arches. And I need one of those, and I managed to scarf one up from a bag of miscellaneous, I don't know what they are, parts, but I've never used this part before, and I still don't know what it is or what it's for. So it's coming along good. That part I needed, that special part, it went up here. Like I said, I really don't understand the importance of that. You can see the inside decorations are coming along. I've got my chair. They did it in dark red. I chose purple. My windows are red. They had light gray. I don't have any light gray windows. I didn't realize this was dark red until I built it purple because I was confused about the color. And you can see it from the front side. It's looking good. I did not have these groove pieces for here and here. I might swap it out. I might not. I might turn them up. I might order them the next time I order something. I don't know. I do like the groove better, but it's, you know, structurally it's not keeping me from continuing the build. And you can see I installed a couple of mirrors. So it's coming right along.
I have my watch.
You do, and it's set up now, and he can hear messages and notifications and calls again. He's back out of the black hole of not knowing people want him. So I've been having fun with my Legos and Pokemon Go. Poor Don, he had to work for a while this morning. I reckon you were back there over an hour and a half maybe, something like that.
No, it was 2.5 hours.
Okay, because he's an engineer, we have to be super, you know, he wants it to count. Yeah, so a little over 2, okay. So, and it's like 47 out here, it's not warm, so we just staying close. Don's got a little bit of a headache too.
Yeah.
And he worked really hard, guys. He worked for over 3 hours out in the garage, I guess it was Thursday night, trying to hook up the dash cam in a better spot.
Right.
And get a new mount for something to record the screen, and it just didn't work out right. So rather than film one more time and it not be the way we want it to be, the part he needs to try is coming tomorrow, and we'll try to get that set up. But we're supposed to have rain tomorrow, so I don't know if we'll get a ride in tomorrow or not. Of any consequence for FSD. We'll see. We just have to see. Play it by ear. 80% chance of rain doesn't mean it'll be raining the whole day really hard. It just means it's probably going to rain sometime tomorrow. Anyway, I want my sun. I want my 70-degree day back. It's not happening today. There's a canopy thing over by the ball field, by the concession stand, and people in line. I think it must be baseball, softball, try out, sign up, you know, one of those days. Because there are a lot of people up here considering it's only 48 degrees. I see kids with obvious baseball paraphernalia. Their little bags that hold their helmet and their bat and their shoes. Well, I'm glad to see so many kids want to play this year. And free, but it's been sitting on the side of the road for several days. So the guy who dropped it off his truck had a chance to come back and get it, and he hasn't. So we got it out of the road. I'm very upset. Was starting dinner, well, appetizer. I'm making garlic shrimp again. And I heard Tux and Stripe go after each other, and I hauled, you know what, out of the house. And by the time I got out of the house, they were on the driveway, and by the time I got to the driveway, they were in the front yard, and by the time I got to the front yard, they were down in the ditch, and they followed each other into this hidden root shelf area down there in the creek bed where I could not get to them. And there was one place I was trying to stick a stick through to break them up, but it didn't go all the way through. And Tux is now underneath the big culvert under the driveway, and Stripe is still in the hidden area. And I can't get to either of them. I mean, I can't. I'm sure there's a wound. It sounded really bad. I know they can sound worse than they are, but it didn't sound good at all. Usually if I give them 30 minutes and go back out there, they'll come out to me. They'll have calmed down their little tails, and I'll be able to inspect them. That wasn't fun. That wasn't good. I didn't need that. I'm worried about my kitties. I think that's Stripe. Hi, buddy. Hi, are you okay? Are you okay? You're a little wet. Wet's not bad. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. Well, I'm not seeing anything scary right offhand. They came out quicker than I thought they would. Hey, buddy. Can you come here so I can inspect you? Other than being muddy, Stripe seems okay. Can you come here, buddy? I don't want to chase you down the hill or anything. Come on, Tux. Come on, buddy. Come here so I can see you. What I've learned in the past is a lot of times you don't see a problem until the next day or two. Something gets an abscess. I certainly see some mud on him. Let me check him out. All things considered, it's not too bad. He has a little boo-boo here and a little boo-boo on his ear. Stripe got him on his ear. I'm telling you though, Tuck started the whole thing. There's no way Stripe started it. Nobody needs emergency medical assistance, and I'm not going to start an antibiotic. I've used betadine on the wound, opened it up, squeezed on it. You know, I've got the betadine down in there pretty good, and I'll keep an eye on it. If it develops an abscess, I'll start antibiotics. But I don't think it's critical. There's no deep wound. I don't think it's critical to start. I'm going to take him outside and put him in the cat hotel and let him sleep it off for a while. Yum, look at those ribs. Those are beef. Those are the ones off the back of the prime rib. Whole Foods sells them sometimes. And it's a good deal there too. So Don and I are gonna enjoy a plate of those. All the boys seem to be resting okay. Marty's in a tall chair and Tux is still in the cat hotel.